Okay, we're going to cut some nopales, the cactus leaf, and then you have to get them at when they're really recently sprouted, because this one's still tender enough, but when they get to be like this, they're not edible anymore unless you're a cow or something. And, so you have to just get them at the right stage. And let me do the basket. I think we got one more, and then that's all it is. One more hiding in there. The tool I'm using to harvest the nopales are a set of tools that I copied that were in the museum at San Juan Bautista here, and so near as we can figure out, this is how they were used to harvest nopales. And so you can stab them with this, and then put them off with that, and then and then this may have been one way of harvesting nopales during the colonial period, and it seems to work. Now we need to shave off the spines. Nopales have a really slimy texture, but if you cut them up in little pieces and boil them for about half hour, that takes most of the slime out of them. And then they're really acidic, so they almost kind of taste like pickles. So if you're not used to eating them, you might be kind of surprised about how they taste. But, which we'll put some salt in them and then let them boil for about half hour.
Rotisserie taco bowl, but my sister, but I have I wouldn't have thought that I would have, but I do love